Porcelain and welcome to my show. I said tune in now. What the girl you wanna know? This is Porcelain and welcome to my show. I said tune in now. I said tune in now. Beautiful queens and my handsome kings. I pray that your day was amazing today. I pray it will be amazing depending on whenever you watch this video. Welcome to my newbies and welcome back to the people that's been here from A1 day one. You know what I'm saying? Now, hello you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, for commenting, and for subscribing. I love to see y'all messages pop up. And of course, if you comment, I will reply back to you. So today, in today's video, we'll be talking about what's in my lash kit. Now, I know this is not kind of a Christmas theme, but you guys, class don't stop because it's Christmas time. This is exam time for me. So I'm doing a lot of studying, a lot of practicing different things that I have learned in class. Psst. You know what day it is? Do you know what day it is? I'm gonna tell you. It is Vlogmas Day 4! Yes, sir. It's day 4 and we are still here being consistent. Don't you love that for us? Don't you love that for us? Just stay tuned, sit down, relax, and see what's in my kit. Alrighty, let's go. Alrighty guys, let's jump right in. So right here, I am doing a project sheet. We do these weekly. My teacher basically gives us a number of things to do, things to check off, things to practice. So right now, I'm just writing down my notes for the products that I used and why they were beneficial to the client. Here, this is a packet that I have been studying. You guys, I have the test on Monday and I'm just gonna say pray for me, okay? Because it was a lot of questions. So I was just studying in between doing lashes. So now we're opening up the lash kit and I put a few things in here from what I bought. So right here we have tweezers, 2 different kinds, a straight edge and then a curved edge. We have the glue. This is the glue that you will glue down the lashes with. Sorry for the stuff in the background. I have notifications on. These are a set of lashes, which were pre-made fans. Those right there are the individuals. Those are just a set of plain lashes that you can put individuals on. These are the glue rings, the tape. That is the toner, the lash toner. Next is the cleanser that you clean the lashes with. And you guys, this kit was, I bought 2 kits. So I had this kit from the school, but I had bought one previously so I could practice before I even ended up going to school. Next, coming out the bag is eye pads. And this goes up under the eye, which I am going to try and demonstrate. And you'll see later in the video where they actually go. But I was just showing you right here that it goes under the eye. So I'm gonna put those back. I haven't really used those because I haven't worked on a client yet. I've just been practicing on mannequins until I feel really comfortable. Those are like little combs. I use those when I'm doing like a brow lamination, a brow tint. This right here is the lash towel, I guess you would say, but you put the lash strips on there and then you can use them. Those are just some microfiber wands, I guess you would say. Right here, as I said before, those are individual lashes, 2 different sizes, and I can explain in depth if y'all need sizes. Those are just a pair of lash strips. Next is something else that you put your glue in, which is the disposable trays, as you can see, and 50 comes in that pack. I don't use those as much as I use the rings. The rings just seem more convenient for me. I'm just showing you guys that inside of the indents in the tray, you can put glue inside there. Next is the mascara wands. And you know what you use those for. I just kind of go through the lashes after I'm doing them to make sure that there's none sticking. Some more things popping out. Those I use to clean or put my toner on. We got a lot of those. Next are more strip lashes. We practice putting strip lashes on. Next are, these are lashes that I have actually done already, that I have practiced with. I like to save them so I can see my progress from where I started to where I am now. So I like to save those in there. I probably should take those out though because I don't have no space. And then that is just the ones that are clear that I put on the eye. This is the gel remover to actually remove the lashes. These right here are what we practice for eyebrows, of like waxing and tinting and brow lamination. So I was just showing you guys that's something that we practice with. I kept it in there. And I think that is it. Oh, and that's just some more glue that I use. Also, in the kit, I got lash strip glue. But right here, I am putting the glue inside the glue ring. And basically, I did it backwards, you guys. Because I should have prepped the client first and then put the glue in the glue ring. Because you're going to see me put the glue ring back down. But it's okay. I made it work. So I'm just going to let this. Be blessed. It's all a process. It's all in God's timing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you bang that bell so you know when I'm coming back with a video. Alrighty, see you guys in the next video.